Alright, this is pretty easy, simple, that I believe anybody can do. Replacing a cabin filter on your 2022 Hyundai Sonata. There we go. And oops. Ooh, okay. Oops, you gotta be careful there. Come on. Alright, so yeah, this is the condition of your cabin filter. Yeah, it needs one. And here is the part number right here. Oh, this one doesn't have any plastic piece. Yeah, but before that, I would like to go ahead and check if I don't have any debris on the blower motor. I got my super awesome borescope. This one is from Kiwitz. And did I charge that? Yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and check our condition down there. Oops. Oops. Oh, I don't even... Oh, it's right there. This thing gotta be straight. And here we go. Oops, wrong way. There we go. So yep, we don't have any debris down there. You guys see it? Maybe I can take a picture right there and I'll show it to you guys. There we go. Yep, we're good to go. This tool is awesome. Highly recommend it. And when you install your filter, make sure the airflow arrow is facing down. Pretty simple, right? Then when you install the lid, hook it up here first, then snap it in. There we go. Pretty simple. Then don't forget the dampener. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching.